What is HVAC and how does it work? Hello everyone, welcome to HVAC official channel. Today, we are going to learn about HVAC, what it is, and how it works in a simple and easy way. Let's get started. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. It is a system that controls the temperature, airflow, and air quality inside a building. HVAC systems are used in homes, offices, malls, hospitals, and many other places to keep people comfortable. Now let's understand each part of HVAC. Heating is used to make the air warm during cold weather. Ventilation means bringing fresh air inside and removing dirty air from the room. Air conditioning is used to cool the air during hot weather. Now let's understand how HVAC works. An HVAC system works by moving air and transferring heat. It uses different components like a compressor, condenser, expansion device, and evaporator. First, the compressor compresses the refrigerant gas and increases its pressure and temperature. Then, the hot gas goes to the condenser, where it releases heat to the outside air and becomes a liquid. After that, the liquid refrigerant passes through an expansion device. Here, the pressure drops, and the refrigerant becomes very cold. Next, the cold refrigerant enters the evaporator coil. It absorbs heat from the indoor air, which cools the room. At the same time, a fan blows air over the evaporator coil and sends cool air into the room. This process continues again and again to maintain the desired temperature. Ventilation also plays an important role. It ensures fresh air enters the room and removes dust, humidity, and unwanted gases. In simple words, HVAC systems keep your indoor environment comfortable, clean, and healthy. Conclusion. So, HVAC is a complete system that provides heating, cooling, and fresh air. It works by transferring heat and controlling airflow inside a building. Understanding HVAC basics is very important for beginners and technicians. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.